Welcome to CodeSet.
Today we will be learning how to create a calculator in just one line of Python code.
The old method of creating a calculator has gone out of the trend.
Instead of creating tons of loops and if-else conditions,
Now you can create calculator in just one line of code.
so let's go to Google Colab and create our calculator. The eval keyword. Solve your given expression and you get your desired result in just one line of code. If you like this method, please like and subscribe to CodeSet.